Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while guys since I did my last video. It's been about more than 3 weeks since I uploaded my last video, and I really miss doing my vlog. But since there's a lot of things going on guys, so I'm not doing a daily vlog at the moment because we're always at home. We're staying at home and we're trying not to go out if it's not necessary. So as much as possible, we're staying at home. The kids are not in school, so they're always at home. So yeah, recently guys, I'm not doing any vlog because it's gonna be the same every day here in the house. So there's nothing special going on at the moment. So yeah, that's why I didn't vlog for the last 3 weeks or so, because I don't really want my vlog to be like really boring because it's gonna be the same every day. So that's why I haven't vlogged recently. So it's been 3 weeks. I really miss doing vlog, but like I said guys, it's gonna be the same every day. So yeah, I decided not to do the vlog, but I'm here today because I want to share with you guys my hobbies recently, because we're in lockdown, so we're staying at home and it's really boring. But we have to, because there's a dangerous virus out there. So I hope you all guys are well, and stay at home guys as much as possible. Be safe and eat healthy foods, take some vitamins, and vitamin C, apparently that's really good. So we've been taking a lot of vitamin C here. So yeah, anyway, back to the video. I'll just want to share with you guys how I do my nails. I just been loving doing nails recently, and yeah, I enjoy it, and it's very therapeutic, you know, like it's relaxing when you do your nails. And yeah, I just want to share with you guys on how I do my nails. So without further ado guys, let's get started. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want me to do more videos like this, because I really enjoy doing this kind of video recently. So let me know if you want me to do more, because like I said, guys, I'm not gonna do a daily vlog for now, because like I said, we're just staying at home. So maybe you will see a lot of nail videos. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!